Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. I'm UV Prajesh again, and in this video today I would like to compare between the entry-level variants of the brand new Nissan Magnite, the Maruti Suzuki Swift, the Tata Tiago and the Hyundai Grand i10 Nios. First, let's talk about exterior design and dimensions. The new Nissan Magnite is actually a compact SUV and is much larger than all the other cars over here. The Nissan Magnite has a length of under 4 meters and a ground clearance of 205 mm with standard 16-inch wheels, whereas the other three cars come with 14-inch wheels on the entry-level variants, while both the Tata Tiago and the Maruti Suzuki Swift have a ground clearance of 170 mm, the Grand i10 Nios has a slightly lesser 167 mm. On their respective entry-level variants, none of these cars get wheel covers and neither do they get body-colored ORVMs and door handles. However, the Nissan Magnite XE on the other hand offers body-colored door handles only. The Nissan Magnite also gets chrome surround for its large octagonal grille at the front, and the overall design of the Nissan Magnite 2 is really very attractive. The key highlight of the Nissan Magnite is that even on the entry-level XE variant, the Magnite offers silver-finished functional roof rails which can bear up to 50 kilos of weight, rear windshield wiper, washer and defogger along with reverse parking sensors. However, the entry-level variants of the Tata Tiago, the Suzuki Swift and the Grand i10 Nios offer only reverse parking sensors as standard on this entry-level variants. Talking about interior, the Nissan Magnite obviously is a much larger car and hence it has a whole lot of space and comfort on offer. Whereas all the other cars including the Swift, the Tiago and the Grand i10 Nios are almost similar in terms of overall legroom and space. The Nissan Magnite is also the widest car in this range and hence can seat 3 adults easily abreast. The overall space offered on the Nissan Magnite is comparable to other compact SUVs such as the Tata Nexon, and apart from that, even the entry-level XE variant of the Nissan Magnite offers rear adjustable headrests for the passengers. However, on the other hand, the Maruti Swift and the Grand i10 Nios offer adjustable headrests only on the top spec variants, while the Tata Tiago does not offer that feature even on its top spec variant. In terms of features as well, the Nissan Magnite XE trumps all the other cars in this comparison by offering all 4 power windows, a day-night adjustable IRVM, a digital instrument cluster, tilt-adjustable steering wheel, and rear adjustable headrests. The Maruti Swift LXi and the Tata Tiago XE do not offer power windows, whereas the Grand i10 Nios Era entry-level variant offers 2 power windows only for the front. However, the Grand i10 Nios Era variant misses out on a tilt-adjustable steering wheel, while all the other cars in this comparison get that as a standard feature. While all the cars in this comparison get manual air conditioning with tinted glasses, none of these cars get central locking as a standard fitment. In terms of safety features, all the cars in this comparison offer dual airbags, ABS with EBD, pre-tensioner equipped seatbelts and engine immobilizer. However, only the Nissan Magnite XE offers rear adjustable headrests for better whiplash protection. The Maruti Suzuki Swift offers ISOFIX child seat mounts as standard across all its variants, and the Tata Tiago offers corner stability control as standard across its range. The Tata Tiago is actually the safest car in this comparison, with a global NCAP rating of 4 stars for adult protection as against to the 2 stars scored by the Maruti Suzuki Swift and the Grand i10 Nios. The Nissan Magnite, however, is yet to be tested by Global NCAP for crash protection. Now talking about powertrains, the Nissan Magnite is the only car in this comparison to offer a lesser sized 1-litre 3-cylinder petrol engine, whereas all the other cars including the Swift, the Tiago and the Grand i10 Nios offer 1.2-litre petrol engines. While the Nissan Magnite produces only 72 PS of maximum power and 96 Nm of maximum torque, the Maruti Swift produces 82 PS of maximum power, the Tata Tiago produces 86 PS of maximum power and the Grand i10 Nios produces 83 PS of maximum power. The torque figure though is the same for all 3 hatchbacks at 113 Nm. The Nissan Magnite also offers a boot space similar to compact SUVs at 336 litres, whereas the Tata Tiago's boot is the smallest here, offering just around 242 litres of luggage capacity. The next is the Grand i10 Nios, which offers 260 litres of luggage space, and the Maruti Suzuki Swift offers 268 litres of boot space. The Nissan Magnite offers a 15-inch steel spare wheel, the Grand i10 Nios and the Swift offers a 14-inch steel spare wheel, whereas the Tata Tiago offers only a 13-inch steel spare wheel. Finally, talking about the price, the Tata Tiago XE is the cheapest car here, available for Rs 4.7 lakh ex-showroom. The next most affordable car here is the Nissan Magnite XE, available at a price of Rs 4.99 lakh as an introductory price. However, in January 2021, this entry-level XE variant is expected to be priced around 5.45 lakh ex-showroom, which will make it the most expensive car here after the Grand i10 Nios and the Maruti Swift. The Grand i10 Nios Era entry-level variant is priced at Rs 5.12 lakh ex-showroom, whereas the Maruti Suzuki Swift LXI is priced at Rs 5.19 lakh ex-showroom. So currently, despite the smaller engine and the expected price hike, the Nissan Magnite seems the best value for money in this category due to the extra standard features even on the entry-level XE variant. The Nissan Magnite offers more space, more features, more practicality and more rough road ability than all the other cars here. However, still if you want the safest car in this category, you can definitely consider the Tata Tiago, as it is also the most affordable car in this comparison. So do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about our comparison of the Nissan Magnite entry-level variants and all the other cars here. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.